For the first time ever, in August 2019, OPC Foundation certified a server built using open62541 to be in conformance with the micro-embedded profile and security policies. You can download our open-source software for free from GitHub. You can build your products knowing that it is going to be easy to certify them at a later stage. We release our software under an open-source license that is business-friendly in terms of protecting your intellectual property rights.
It's free, it's open source, then why do I need a partner?
You may still have to go through the lifecycle challenges like learning the technology, integrating it into your product, compliance testing, and finally, taking care of customer support on critical bugs and updates. Your team needs additional support to minimize the learning curve. They also need support to increase their bandwidth. It is always handy to have someone who had gone through the compliance testing challenges before. Last but not least, on-call support during critical bug fixes and update rollout are going to be of tremendous value.
I need support. What are my options?
Option 1. Join and sponsor community project and get voting rights to influence open source development roadmap. Option 2. Biannual support package and get on-call support, certifiable, quality-controlled updates and critical bug fixes. Option 3. Buy optional packages for training and consulting, embedded porting, certification, software integration and validation, continuous integration, custom tools and support.